Attorney Renz, is no appearance in an annulment of marriage case possible or is it a scam? Tara, pag-usapan natin. The short answer po is no. This is not possible. And if someone is offering this to you, it's likely a scam. Under sa Philippine law po, annulment cases involve court proceedings. And personal appearance is required, lalong-lalo na for testimonies, clarifications, and the required psychological assessment. Hindi po pwedeng basta-basta lang aprubahan ng korte ang annulment na walang due process. Furthermore po, kung absent ang isa sa mga partido or isa sa mga spouses, pwede itong ma-interpret ni prosecutor or ni solicitor general as a sign of collusion or pakikipagsabwatan between the two married persons. Under our law po, kapag nalaman ni prosecutor or ni solicitor general na may pakikipagsabwatan between the two people na gusto magpa-annul, pwede niyang i-recommend ang dismissal ng kaso sa judge. Kung may nag-aalok po sa inyo ng no appearance annulment cases, magduda na po kayo dahil malamang scam po ito. Again, this is Attorney Renz of Presbyterian Company Law Firm. Please like, share, comment, and follow.